Hello my friend, welcome back to my channel. Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, Happy Holidays. I hope everyone is enjoying this beautiful time of the year and having a good gathering with the family. Please, if is this the first time for you to see my channel, subscribe and like my video if you like the ideas. I mostly like doing craft all the time, and I love to use recycled items to make it to different new items and new decor that is gorgeous and affordable and makes a beautiful piece into your home decor and on a budget. So if you like recycling and new ideas and also affordable ideas, make sure that you are with me in the channel, subscribing and hit the ring button so you can be notified every time I make a video. In this video I made these gorgeous pieces. I like to call them giant snowballs because they are not the same size as any snowball you're gonna do. Snow globe, I mean. I'm sorry. These are recycling. It's my own idea. I didn't see any channel does it, and this is from last year. I used the cake box from any cake you do, or the cookie box, and I transfer it to a big giant snow globe with a little bit of material from Dollar Tree, like the little tiny decorations they have for making Christmas town or Christmas Santa town or something like that. It's so good, amazingly beautiful, easy to do. Each one maybe cost like $3 to $5 maximum. Of course, after you having the cake and you empty the cake. So instead of throwing the box, I got the idea that why not to make a gorgeous piece with it. So I came up with this great idea. I used this drabby mat from Dollar Tree. If you get the one of this one, it's like $125 now, and you will be able to use it for a lot of projects, to make a lot of gorgeous pieces with it. Anytime you need to cover something with white to look like snow, it will work perfectly with it. And I did some other creation with it, so make sure that you see my latest video before, the videos before this, and keep up with me to see my new ideas. I took a piece, I covered it, I glue it with hot glue, and then I got some of the Christmas trees. This big one is from Dollar Tree too, and I got the tiny ones, and another back of the tiny decoration for the Christmas town, and I begin to hot glue everything. You can attach them any way you like, and this foam material also from Dollar Tree, it's Santa shoes, so you're gonna have a lot of variety to decorate this snow globe with it. I found this is the smallest size, so the tree was taller on it, so I took it off, and I took a piece of the branch from like a tree decoration branch, and I make it looks like another type of tree. And this is a foam tree also from the same bag for as the Santa shoes tree. Santa shoes, I'm sorry. It's all foam. It's so easy, so each one is $125, and you can do the whole project for these two with the same like you're gonna use the two bags for decorating the same boxes or the same cake boxes. And then I got one light from the Dollar Tree lights, and I put it inside it to give it a little bit of lights, and then you close it, and you can find a way to hide the light behind. It will not be good to put it under it if you don't have like a higher point for it. Like if you want to put it on top of a candle holder, it will be great to hide it under it after that. But actually, I didn't get the idea last year, so I got it now when I was telling you that. So maybe we can upgrade this idea, and I can make another video with another crafting DIY for a gorgeous piece like that. It's so easy and so beautiful. It didn't take like maximum 10 minutes to be done, and it's really amazing, beautiful. All people who saw it fall in love with it. They asked me to make one for them. My kid was in love with it. I bought some faux snow from the Dollar Tree ones too, to make it have a lot of more snow, so when he shake it out, the snowfall go everywhere, and it's so beautiful. It's easy idea. I really fall in love with it. I hope you like it too, and you try to make it and reuse your cake box instead of throwing it away with this gorgeous decor. And it's really doesn't cost like $5 even, so it's really amazing idea for this money. The biggest one, I did the same process, adding the white rabbit to look like a snow and getting some more decoration from the tiny decoration. In this one, I tried to add some little bit of more of the drapey white snow thingy to make it looks like more of little mountains or little pile of snow. And I got the other back of the decoration that have the lights and the snowman and Santa and the chair, or just to make it different than the other one. And of course I will put some trees. It's really easy. You can't believe that. I know you can see it on the camera now, but like in person it's more beautiful, really. It's so good. You will love it. And if you have a kid or grandson or granddaughter, they will be very happy to do it with you. I got this truck also from the other bag. I know this one maybe go to $5 if you keep adding more decoration, but if you want it simple, it will be less money. So it's up to you with the decoration and the money with it. I bought the bigger tree that didn't work with the first one because it's taller, and I got the back that look like gifts to put it around the Christmas tree. It's like a Christmas town, small Christmas town with the big Christmas tree and we can decorate the big Christmas tree too. And here I am putting the lights, and then I tried to change it to be different than the first one, so I got a different light that have the golden color with it, so give it a different touch with also a color of the Christmas touch. And this year Dollar Tree have more different lights for $1.25. It's really gorgeous. I will show it to you in another video. They have like some other lights with Christmas tree and with Christmas truck. It's so gorgeous, really beautiful. I love it all. I hope you like my idea, and as I said before, if you didn't see me before and this is your first time, please subscribe and like the video if you like my idea, and maybe share it with your friend to make me grow and help me to show my creation to more people. I also have a page on Facebook with the same name, Marina DIY Craft on a dime, and I have a TikTok page also. So if you please help me and follow me on TikTok and Facebook, and I will be happy to share all my ideas with you. I will be happy to hear any ideas or suggestions from you Just leave me a comment where you are seeing me from which country or which state, and let me know any ideas or any suggestion you like. I hope you all have a great gathering, happy Thanksgiving, and happy Christmas time. Thanks so much for watching, and see you next time with the next video. Bye bye.